Crash Course on Nicaragua. Geolocation. Nicaragua is a country located in Central America, bordered by Honduras to the north and Costa Rica to the south. It has coastlines along the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Caribbean Sea to the east. Capital. The capital city of Nicaragua is Managua. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of Nicaragua was approximately 6.7 million people. Economy. Nicaragua's economy is primarily based on agriculture, industry, and services. Key agricultural exports include coffee, tobacco, sugar, and bananas. The country has also seen growth in tourism, particularly in areas such as Granada and San Juan del Sur. Education. Education in Nicaragua is free and compulsory for children between the ages of 6 and 14. However, access to quality education remains a challenge in certain areas, particularly in rural regions. Efforts are being made to improve the education system and increase enrollment rates. Brief history. Nicaragua has a rich history dating back to ancient times, with indigenous tribes such as the Nahua and Coratiga. European colonization began in the 16th century, and Nicaragua gained independence from Spain in 1821. The country has experienced periods of political instability, including the Sandinista Revolution in the late 20th century. Culture. Nicaraguan culture is a blend of indigenous, European, particularly Spanish, and Afro-Caribbean influences. The country celebrates a vibrant arts scene, with literature, music, and dance being significant cultural expressions. Traditional festivities, such as the Feast of San Sebastián, showcase the country's unique cultural heritage. Politics. Nicaragua is a presidential republic with a multi-party system. The political landscape has been shaped by various political parties and movements. In recent years, Nicaragua has faced challenges related to political polarization and human rights issues. Interesting stories/examples. One interesting aspect of Nicaragua is the city of Granada, known for its well-preserved colonial architecture. With colorful buildings and cobblestone streets, it offers a glimpse into Nicaragua's rich history. Additionally, the Masaya Volcano National Park provides the opportunity to witness the active Santiago crater, where visitors can peer into the bubbling lava below. Top 12 attractions of Nicaragua. 1. Granada. Explore the historic city of Granada, with its beautiful colonial architecture, vibrant markets, and views of Lake Nicaragua. 2. Masaya Volcano National Park. Witness the active Santiago crater and explore the volcanic landscapes of this unique national park. 3. Ometepe Island. Visit the largest volcanic island in Lake Nicaragua, known for its natural beauty, hiking trails, and the iconic Concepcion and Maderas volcanoes. 4. San Juan del Sur. Relax on the stunning beaches of this coastal town, known for its surfing, sunsets, and vibrant nightlife. 5. Leon. Discover the cultural and intellectual hub of Nicaragua, with its colonial buildings, lively arts scene, and the awe-inspiring Cathedral of Leon. 6. Somoto Canyon. Embark on a thrilling adventure through the narrow canyons, cliffs, and emerald waters of Somoto Canyon, ideal for hiking and swimming. 7. Corn Islands. Experience the tranquility of the Corn Islands, where you can indulge in white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and snorkeling opportunities. 8. Isletas de Granada. Cruise through the Isletas, a group of small islands on Lake Nicaragua, and witness the diverse bird life and lush vegetation. 9. Mombacho Volcano. Hike through the cloud forests of Mombacho Volcano and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and Lake Nicaragua. 10. Indio Maíz Biological Reserve. Immerse yourself in the pristine rainforest of this biological reserve, home to a wide array of wildlife, including jaguars, monkeys, and exotic bird species. 11. Selva Negra, discover the sustainable coffee farm and eco-lodge of Selva Negra, nestled in the lush mountains of Matagalpa, offering hiking trails and a glimpse into traditional Nicaraguan agriculture. 12. Rio San Juan, cruise along the Rio San Juan, a historic waterway connecting Lake Nicaragua to the Caribbean Sea, and explore the fortress of El Castillo, rich in colonial history. Summary. Nicaragua, located in Central America, is a country with a diverse culture, rich history, and stunning natural attractions. Its economy relies on agriculture, industry, and services, with tourism playing an increasing role. Education is free and compulsory, although challenges in access and quality persist. Nicaragua's history is marked by European colonization and periods of political unrest, including the Sandinista Revolution. The country's culture blends indigenous, Spanish, and Afro-Caribbean influences, expressed through art, music, and traditional festivities. Nicaragua is a presidential republic, and its political landscape has seen various parties and movements. Top attractions include Granada, Masaya Volcano National Park, Ometepe Island, and the colonial city of Leon. From volcanoes to lake shores, Nicaragua offers a captivating blend of nature, culture, and history. In Nicaragua's embrace, beauty unfolds. A land of stories, with wonders untold. From volcanoes to lakes, nature's grand display. Let's embark on a journey, let's find our own way. Granada, a gem with colonial grace. Streets of colors, history's embrace. Masaya's fiery crater, alive and ablaze. A glimpse into the Earth's fiery maze. Ometepe Island, where volcanoes rise. Lush landscapes under the endless skies. San Juan del Sur, where beaches gleam. Surfer's haven, a sun-kissed dream. Leon, a city of culture and art, where the past and present dance in every part. Somoto Canyon, carved by nature's hand. Adventure awaits in this rocky wonderland. Corn Islands, where time slows down. White sands, azure waters, a tropical crown. Isletas de Granada, a tranquil retreat. Islands on the lake, where serenity meets. Mombacho's misty forests, an enchanting sight. Hiking trails through clouds, a nature lover's delight. Indio Maíz Reserve, a rainforest alive. With jaguars, monkeys, a vibrant ecosystem thrives. Selva Negra, a sustainable retreat. Coffee's aroma, nature's heartbeat. Rio San Juan, a historic trail. El Castillo's fortress, a tale to unveil. Nicaragua, a tapestry of beauty and lore. Where traditions thrive, forevermore. Let's explore its wonders, with spirits soaring. In this captivating land, where dreams are exploring. Ending note. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.